Hello people, welcome back to our channel Coins and Currency. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about an Indian 5 rupees coin which have been minted in a commemorative issue. So before going into the details of the coin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, so please do subscribe and tap on the bell symbol. So by this you will get every of our latest videos updates and you can watch every of our video without any missing. Coming to the details of the coin, here as follows. So these coins were belonging to the country India. Here we can find it in two languages, in Hindi, Bharat, and in English, India. Here these coins were minted in the year 2013 and it is a nominal value of 5 rupees which is made up of metal, nickel, brass. If we consider the weight of the coin, so these coins were of 6 grams of weight with a diameter of 23 mm in round shape. It is a issue of 150 years of Kuka movement. So here we can find it in English and in Hindi as well. 150 years of Kuka movement is the same in Hindi language also. Kuka Adholan ke 150 वर्ष, 150 means 150. Here in the front side of the coin, as usual for maximum of Indian currency, there will be Ashoka line pedestal in the front side. So this is Ashoka line capital, and just below that we can find the symbol of Indian rupee and also the nominal value 5, and the letterings we have discussed about these. And here just below that Ashoka line capital we can find the small lettering as Satyameva Jayate, which means truth always wins. Coming to the back side of the coin, so here we find the letterings a lot. So firstly here we discussed about these two, so which is the Kuka Ahadolan ke 150 Varsh and as well 150 years of Kuka movement in both Hindi and in English language. So the time period of this 150 years of Kuka movement is 1857 to 2007. So in this time period the Kuka movement has completed 150 years. So here in the center of the coin we find a person. So he is none other than Sadhguru Ram Singh Ji. And here we can find the name in both English and Hindi languages. In English Sadhguru Ram Singh Ji and in Hindi Sadhguru Ram Singh Ji in both languages. Edges of the coin were reeded edges. We can find the readings here. So this is the video for today friends. If you like the video then please do like, share, comment your doubts and opinions, and not to forget to subscribe to our channel for latest more updates. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.